Let's talk about the latest launched Honor smartphone Power 5G with modern design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with 1.5K AMOLED micro quad curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus pill shaped cutout display, resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels, approximately 92.2% screen to body ratio, 19.85 to 9 aspect ratio, approximately 437 ppi pixel density, 4000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR color quality support, and with drop scratch resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle main camera with aperture 1.95 and support optical image stabilization, along with 5 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 16 megapixel centered punch hole cutout wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.45, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Magic OS 9.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.63 GHz. Single-core Cortex-A715 plus 2.4 GHz tri-core Cortex-A715 plus 1.8 GHz quad-core Cortex-A510, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 720 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of RAM, with 8GB, 12GB of extended RAM, and 256GB, 512GB of onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.7 by 76.7 by 7.98 millimeters, and it weighs around 209 grams, and the color options, snow white, phantom night black, desert gold colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 8000 mAh battery, with 66-watt wired superfast charging, 5-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS L1 plus L5, USB Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers, 300% super loud volume support, USB Type-C charging port, AI features like AI Eliminate, AI Expand, AI Style, AI Face Restoration, waterproof resistant body design support, satellite connectivity support, messaging only, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Honor Power 5G has been priced for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,999 Chinese yuan, while 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 2,199 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 512GB storage variant at 2,499 Chinese yuan. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Honor Power 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.